myself Kukraja Rahul. Today we have to learn about the Standard 9 chapter number 11 construction. Okay, Maths Standard 9 chapter number 11 construction. Okay, so in the previous session we have seen that some example that are related to the sum of two sides of triangle with the subtraction of two sides of triangle, and that subtraction of two sides of triangle there is also two types of the subtraction, one of them upside and second one is downside. Okay, upward and downward. Now in this session we have to move for the one of the most important question of the this chapter, that is the sum of the three side of triangle is given with two base angles. Okay, so we have to construct a triangle with three sides are given, sum of the three sides are given, and with the two base angles are given. Okay, so let's start from the exercise 11.2 question number 4. That are the last question that we are seeing from the chapter 11. Okay, clear? So let's start. Question is that construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y equal to 30 degree, angle Z equal to 90 degree, and XY plus YZ plus ZX equal to 11 centimeter. Here we have seen that some of the three sides are given as 11 centimeter and one of the two base angles that are one of them 30 and second one is 90. Okay, clear? So now let's start. So first of all, here is the only one measurement of the sides are given as 11 centimeter, that are the sum of the three sides. Okay, so sum of these three sides, okay, we are taking as a base of the triangle and we are taking 11 centimeter as a base. Clear? So for here I'll draw the 11 centimeter. Okay, now we know that the two base angle are the Y and Z, that is 30 degree and 90 degree. Here we also give the name Y and Z, but not properly that type of the naming. Okay, I'll give the alternate name as per the Y and Z. I'll give the angle Y as angle A and angle Z as a angle B. I'll give the name of the angle Z to the B and Y to the A. Okay, now from the angle A we have to draw the 30 degree. For the 30 degree, first of all take any radius of measurement and make an first of all semicircle. Okay, clear? Now make an arc. Okay, so this is the 60 degree. Now I want the 30 degree, so I have to bisect this 60 degree from the 0 degree, so we got the 30 degree. Okay, take more than half measurement and make an angle, make an arc from the both side. Okay, so now make a ray that are passing through the point of intersection of the both of the arc. Okay, clear? Now we have to draw the 90 degree from the angle B. For the 90 degree, we have to first of all draw the semicircle with the any measurement of radius. Okay. Make an arc that are 60 degree and make another arc that are 120 degree. Okay, from the 120 and 60 take a bisector of 120 and 60 that are 90 degree. Okay, so now join okay, clear? So this is your 90 degree. Now we have to construct second step, that is construct bisector of angle A and angle B. Construct bisector of angle A and angle B. This is my angle A, 30 degree. Now bisect it, and this is my angle B, that is 90 degree, and bisect it. So bisector of angle A, that is a 15 degree. So for the 15 degree, let's take make an arc from the 0 degree, from the 30 degree. Okay, from the 0 and from the 30, and here also make an arc from the 0 and 45, sorry 0 and 90. This is from 0 and this is from 90 degree. Okay, now construct bisector now join both of the bisector and give that intersection point of the bisector as a X. Okay, this is the intersection point of the bisectors are the X. Clear? Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AX and BX. Construct perpendicular bisector of AX and BX. Okay, clear? So for the perpendicular bisector, take point X and make an arc from the both side, and now take point A and make arc to the both side. Okay, This is your perpendicular bisector. Of the AX, and now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BX. Okay, so both of the bisector we have to join. Okay, this is the bisector of the BX. Now both of the bisector are meet at AB, so we have to give the name of the meeting point from the A, that is the angle Y. This is my angle Y and this is my angle Z. Okay, this is my angle Z. So you have to construct it. Now we have to join it from the BZ. Sorry, we have to join XZ and XY. So this is your triangle XYZ with all the side of the XY, YZ and ZX are 11 centimeter. Angle Z, that is a 90 degree, and angle Y, that is your 30 degree. Clear? This is your triangle. Okay, so our triangle are constructed in triangle XYZ. Clear, students? Clear? Now we have to move for the second example that are related to also the sum of the all side of the triangle. Okay, we are doing again one of the question of that are sum of the all sides. Okay, so this is the extra question, that is the sum of the all sides are given. There is a question is construct a triangle ABC whose perimeter is 12 centimeter, angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 45 degree. Clear? So here the sum of the all side, that is the perimeter, that is given 12 centimeter. That means we have to construct a triangle ABC in which we have to construct 60 degree at here and 45 degree at here, and sum of the all side, that is AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 12 centimeter is given. Okay, clear? So for that, let's start. We have to first of all draw the sum of the all sides. Okay, first of all we have to draw the sum of the all sides that are 12 centimeter as the base of the triangle. Okay, so here we have to draw the 12 centimeter first of all. This is my 12 centimeter. Okay, this is my 12 centimeter my base. Okay, now here my triangle, naming of triangle is ABC, so we have to first of all change the name of the base angle, that are angle B is given as a 60 degree and second angle C is a 45. We have to take any kind of the name, that is I'll give the name that is as a P 60 degree and Q is equal to 45. Okay, you can give any kind of the name at the B and at the C. Okay, but take another name. So this is my angle P and I'll give this angle as a Q. Okay, now from the P we have to construct a 60 degree. First of all, from the P we take a semicircle first of all with the any measurement of radius. Okay, clear? Done. Now take arc from the point that are the 60 degree. Clear? This is my 60 degree. Okay, okay, now we have to draw the Q, angle Q. Okay, from the Q we have to construct the 45 degree angle. So for the 45 degree I want first of all 90 degree. So for the 90 degree we have to construct 60 and 120. This is my 60 degree. Okay, this is my 120. Now from the 120 and from the 60 degree make two arcs that are the bisect each other. Okay, and join them, make a 90 degree angle. Okay, this is my 90 degree. So we have to construct first of all 45 degree. So for the 45 degree bisect 90, take more than measurement from the 0 and also from the 90. So your both of the arcs are meet each other at a point, and now join a ray with the intersection of the two arcs. So now as per the given condition, all the things are I'll constructed, that is one of them first of all sum of the all side 12 centimeter. I'll draw that as a base. After that we have to construct 60 and 45 from the base angle. I'll already constructed 60 degree and this is my 45 degree. Okay, so now your first step is to construct bisector of angle P and Q, that is the base angle. Okay, first thing that construct bisector of the base angles. Okay, so angle P and Q are my base angles, so we have to bisect them. For the bisect them we have to take one of the angle from the 0 and one of the one of the arc from the 0 and one of the arc from the 60 degree. So from the 0 take more than half and make an arc. Take another arc from the 60 degree, so make another arc to join with them. Okay, now construct 30 degree Okay. So bisector of angle P is 60 degree. So bisector of angle P, that are the, we want 30 degree. Okay, and bisector of angle 45, that is the 22 and 5 degree. Okay, 22.5 degree. So now this is my 45 degree. This is my 45 degree. Now I have to bisect this angle to construct 22 and half. For the 22 and half, take one of the arc from the 0 and take one of the arc from the 45. Okay, now join them. So your 22 and half degree are constructed. Clear? So now both of the both of the bisectors, okay, bisector from the P and bisector of the Q, bisector of the angle P and bisector of the angle Q are meet each other at the common point. Name that point as a angle A. Okay, name that angle as a A. Okay, so this is my point A and this is my also angle A. Now we have to join to construct B and C. For the B and C, now I want point B and C. Okay, so for the B and C, next step, that is the construct perpendicular bisector of AP and AQ. Construct the perpendicular bisector of the AP and AQ. Okay. For the perpendicular bisector, take point from A and make an arc to the both side. Okay, and take same measurement, and from the point P as a center, take point P as a center, make an arc to the both side. Okay, clear? Now we have to join these bisectors. This is my perpendicular bisector of the AP. Okay, clear? This is my perpendicular bisector of the AP. Now we have to construct the perpendicular bisector of the AQ. From the perpendicular bisector of the AQ, take point Q and make more than half measurement. Okay, take more than half measurement, make an arc to the both side. Now take point A as a center and make an arc to the both side. Again, now both of the arcs are meet with the common point, and now we have to join them. So this is my perpendicular bisector of the AQ. Okay, this is my perpendicular bisector of the AQ. Clear? Clear that? This is my perpendicular bisector of the AQ. So now perpendicular bisector of AP and perpendicular bisector of AQ are meet PQ at the two different point. Okay, so these two different points are your angle B and angle C. So name them as a B and name it as a C. Okay, and now we have to join them. So your triangle with the measurement of the all side equal to 12 centimeter and with the angle B as a 60 degree and angle C as a 45 degree are constructed. Okay. So this is your triangle with angle B as a 60 degree, okay, and angle C as a your 45 degree are constructed, and sum of the all the side AB plus BC plus AC are equal to the total 12 centimeter. If you want to verify them, then check your verification with the measurement of the scale, and you have to measure them with the AB, that is take AB as a 3.5, BC as a BC is a 4.5. okay, I'll take approximately a measurement. Okay, this is my 3.5, this is my 4.5, and this is my 4 centimeter. Clear? This is my 4 centimeter. So my measurement of AB is 3.5, my measurement of BC is equal to 4.5, and my measurement of the AC is equal to 4 centimeter. Here the sum of the all side, that is 3.5 plus 4.5 plus 4, that is 3.5 plus 4.5, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12 centimeter. Okay, here my verification is clear, so my construction is corrected. Okay, so my construction is correct. In the exam point of view, all the examiner are only and only check that things that are the sum of the all side is 12 centimeter are correct, okay, and angle that are the 60 and 45 degree are constructed correct or not. Okay, so only these things we have to verify in the construction. Now for the homework point, I'll give you the one of the question that are the sum of the all sides. Okay, in question 2 that help you. Okay, this is the homework question for the sum of the all sides, and you have to construct all the things, all the construction in your fair book. Okay, with the homework, all the homework that I'll give you, okay, all the homework that I'll give you from chapter 1 to till now, all the things you have to write in your fair book. Clear? So question is that construct a triangle PQR in which angle R equal to 45 degree, angle Q is equal to 60 degree, and sum of the all side, that is the PQ plus QR plus RP, okay, is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, sum of the all sides are given as a 11 centimeter. Clear? And the two base angle, that is R and angle Q, that is the 45 degree and 60 degree. Clear that? And one more question, that is the question 2, that is construct a triangle ABC such that angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C equal to 45 degree, and sum of the all side, that is the AB plus BC plus AC is equal to the 10 centimeter. Okay, here the sum of the all side is given as a 10 centimeter. Clear that? Okay, so students, I hope you are enjoying this class so much, and today till now we are completing chapter number 11. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying. If you have any doubt, please notify me. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.